Hi everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what I got? I have the June 2023 ZenPoP box. They actually changed the size of the box and the shape, so that is kind of cool. It's bigger. It's bigger than the other boxes. So let's get right into the unboxing. There is Luna. Luna's looking especially cute, greeting us as we look at all the goodies. So I think I'm going to do a plan with me for June. I have my planner, which I already started decorating, and I thought I would decorate it at the end with items specifically from this box. So this is also new. This is the ZenPoP News. It's Volume 1 because it's brand new. It's a little synopsis of the company, and they're excited to tell us all about the changes because not only do they do the stationery box, but ZenPoP does a box full of ramen. They do a snack box, which I did a video on that snack box a few months ago. Here's the stationery, and this month is very exciting because they're doing a collab with Saigetsu. He is an artist in Japan, in Osaka, a local artist. So he did some of the items in the box, and when you see them, you're going to be really impressed. And they also do a limited edition Sakura box. And then they have a little article about vending machines in Japan, where I didn't know this, but you can virtually get anything in a vending machine. Not only food, but you can get sake, you can get batteries, an umbrella, even flowers. So all sorts of things about vending machines. And actually Japan has one vending machine for every 24 people. So that's about 5 million vending machines all across the country. I do have a code. Jane5 will get you $5 off of your ZenPoP box, and it's free ship to the United States and to many other countries. Alright, let's get into the box. So the first thing I have here, which I just love the packaging. It is always, I don't know, it's cute. It's cute and thoughtful. Let's put it that way. These are Post-it notes. Really nice packaging. Let's see if it's more centered under the camera. And it's a kaleidoscope of different colors. So for all your journal needs, you are going to get all these pieces of paper to put all sorts of notes. There's 80 sheets in here. So that's the first thing. Then we got a package of midliners. These are pastel colors by Zebra Japan. As you can see, gorgeous packaging. And what I really love about this packaging here, it's in a Ziploc baggie. So if you're traveling or you just want to keep everything in one place, you can keep it in this Ziploc baggie and you're good to go. Let's look at the light pink. Very nice. It has a regular tip that you would expect on a midliner, and then a finer point tip. And I normally do pen tests, but we've gotten a lot of midliners before, which I just adore. I'll just do a quick pen test. Should have come a little more prepared. Hey, let's do it on, remember these? These are from an old ZenPoP box. I love them. These are those crayons. All right. I do have a video on these too. I love them. So here are the fine line. It's more fine. Oh, Mickey, you're so fine. You're so fine. You blow my mind. Hey, Mickey. Is it Mickey? I think it is. You don't want to hear me sing. I'm about ready to turn a lot of people off of my singing. And here is the thicker line for the midliners. So we got 5 beautiful pastel colors, and yeah, who doesn't love a good midliner for anything? It doesn't have to be a journal. You can write love notes to your kids, to your husband. Do it in midliner. And then speaking of pens, we got a 5 milliliter black uniball pen. Again, it's not ultra fine, but it's not thickly medium either. It has a nice, beautiful flow. Look at that. It's not smudging. It dries really fast, and these are just a great everyday pen for art or journaling, writing letters, writing checks, anything you want to do. Then we got some correction tape, which I'm not going to open because I am using some correction tape right now, and I like to keep the integrity of it in the package, but you are going to get a nice roll of correction tape, and you can see there is a lot on this puppy. And this is by Whipper, and it just comes out right there. So there you go, correction tape. And then we got our washi tapes, which I often called masking tape by Kita. We've gotten this brand before, but this is a totally different design than what we've received in a previous box. And what I realized about this tape that I didn't realize until after I did the other video. Well, first of all, you got, ooh, look at that, it's thin. You got 8 different designs. Cool. I didn't even realize that until I opened up the package. So you have 8 different designs. What's really cool though about this is you fold it over like a matchbook right there. And this is great for taking with you on the go. It's not going to get messed up. It's in a little matchbook, and it's really cute. And you have 8 designs right there. Love it. Then we have a package of gorgeous stickers, also in the pastel kind of dreamy like theme. This is by Kitsugi of Japan. We have a whole sheet of stickers. Just take them out real quick because I am going to put them in my planner at the end of the video. And it's on a clear backing like this. There you can see that pretty well. Really beautiful stickers. I love them. This is new for me. I don't have one of these. This is a file folder, especially for the postcard. You might have a collection of postcards or note cards, and it's just a very simple file folder that you can take with you on the go or use it at your desk or in your home. So that's really cool. And I believe this is going to come in 2 different colors, so I got the purple one, which I really love. Now, here is the artwork by Saigetsu. This is A5 style folder. First of all, let's just look at that artwork. It's a combination of flying goldfish, beautiful carp in a city type scene of people walking around. It's just very space agey looking. I love the vivid colors. This is more of a night scene. It's gorgeous. And you have little tabs to file papers. And then he designed this notebook specifically for this box. Again, it's very new age looking, very colorful. You have that fish theme again with the flying carp. This looks like an open air market. That's another way of looking at it. It's a little girl playing with a cat. It's just very, very cool looking. I don't know. This is a very unique artist. I'm definitely enjoying this art, and I can see using a lot of midliners to maybe create my own art. I don't know if I can be like Saigetsu, but definitely I can give it a chance. And it's a really nice notebook. Beautiful notebook. This is also A5 size, I believe. I will double check. If it's not A5, I will write in the video space what size notebook it is. But it's really gorgeous. And I love the smell of notebooks. I don't know about you, but I love the smell of paper. So that is the June 2023 box. We got, I believe, 9 items. We got the notebook, the file folder, the other folder, so that's 3, 4 midliners, 5 washi tapes, 6 correction tapes, 7 the pen, and stickers, 8, and then 9 the 80 sheet pad of sticky notes. Awesome box. They hit it out of the park for June 2023. Remember, Jane 5 will give you $5 off your box. I will leave a link and the code down below. It's an affiliate code, but it's just for me to pass for you. I don't earn money off of it, but I do get this box for my honest review. And this box is always, like my mother-in-law used to say, dynamo. This is just dynamo. I love it. So if you want to stick around, I'll introduce you to what I've been doing in my planner for June. I haven't done a planner video in a while. I've been using this monthly planner. It's by Fringe. I do have an introductory video where I give a planner tour where I have decorated in the past, and it has these tabs. So let's go ahead to June. I already started decorating for the month of June. This is the, so you're not going to see, you know, full decoration. I just want to accent with what I've already created. And I want to use some of these washies because they are really cute.
On Saturdays I'm lonely, but it's my fault. You say you wanna hold me, but I'm scared to get close. I'm just a beautiful ghost. I love you, you know this. I thought you had noticed I'd never make the move. Leave it all up to you, 'cause I'm good at mistakes. I don't wanna take the blame, leave it all up to you. Don't wanna get over you. And if one day I come through, all of my dreams will come true. Don't know how I hide it so good, when you always see me through. On Saturdays I'm lonely, but it's my fault. You say you wanna hold me, but I'm scared to get close, baby. I'm just a beautiful ghost. Ooh.
was just a quick plan with me. I thought I would just do a fun spread for June. Here's the opening page. I'm not an artist. I just like to play around with papers and stickers and washi. So that's the opening. That's a private appointment, so that's why I have it covered up. But here is the month at a glance page. And then I have the whole calendar spread, which I decorated with some of the washi's and the stickers. Really simple. I'm going to go in and do some more decorating, probably with the markers. And then I thought it would be cute to do some of these little notepads, little sticky notes, and do some interspersing of that with some of the washi tape. I was just messing around with some of the midliners, and then I just keep going on and on and on, because what's great about this planner is you have lots of room to write notes on throughout the whole month. So if you don't do anything for a couple of days, you don't have a lot of blank spaces because you didn't write in those dates. You just make it yourself. So I would start here of June 1st and doing all my notes through the month of June. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Come back and see me again sometime in the future. I love doing some plan with me, some process videos, and of course the unboxing. If you found this video even mildly entertaining, give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. I so appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care all. Bye.